Welcome to the first lesson of Abacus. In this lesson, I'm going to give you an idea of what the abacus is, the different parts of an abacus, and how to use it properly. The abacus is an ancient mathematical instrument used for calculations. When using, always work numbers going from left to right. Moving on to the different parts of an abacus. On the top here, we have these upper beads, and all these upper beads are worth 5. On the bottom here, we have all these lower beads, and all these lower beads down here are worth 1. We only count the beads when they are touching the bar in the middle. This bar in the middle is also referred to as the beam or the reckoning bar. If you notice on here, on the beam, there is a dot on every 3 columns, and that helps us keep track of what digit we are working on. Like for instance, you could use any of these dots and mark that as your ones column. So I'm going to go ahead and mark this as my ones column. And then the one right beside it is going to be my tens column. This is going to be your hundreds column. And then this is going to be your thousands column, and so on and so forth. In order to clear the abacus, I could always use the button on the top right hand corner and press that, and that clears it up. Now, if at home your device does not, or your abacus does not have this clearing button, you can always slide your finger from left to right, basically moving all these beads away from the center, away from the beam, and just bringing it at 0. Now let's go ahead and try to count to 20 on the abacus. Now, before we get counting, it's really important to keep in mind while working with the abacus, we only use 2 fingers, our index and our thumb. Our thumb, its only job is to move our lower beads up. Our index finger can move our lower beads down, and it can move our upper beads up and down. So let's get counting to 20 together. Of course, using my thumb, I'm going to go ahead and slide one of those lower beads towards the beam. So there we have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, and 20. So here you have it, all you need to know about the abacus.